This is the bonus lecture in which I would like to introduce that who I am and what I can do for you regarding the spiritual wireless healing. Okay, my name is Zishan and I am legendary freelancer by the mercy of Allah with so many skills and so many talents. You can say that jack of all trade who can do almost so many things: technical, spiritual, transformational, and other kind of things which are not necessary related to the business. So based on my knowledge and experiences from the life related to IT field, spiritual field, transformational field, health and wellness, I would be able to help you learn this knowledge, this process. I can give it to you if you would like to learn it directly by contacting me as my 101 student, because I will give you the solution, the complete package in which you will know how you can cure the incurable patient, what are the processes that can be utilized, and how exactly it has to be done. And if you will have questions, then I will also answer them as well. And if you will need spiritual guidance and assistance, then obviously I will also help you connect with Maulana Brarala for this specific purpose of the training and helping you do the practical for curing the incurable patients, whether they are in your family or whether you want to do it professionally for as a service. So you can do it, and there will be charges for this obviously, and my minimum charges for two kind of process. There are two kind of process. The one is like 20 to 30 minute process, that is also spiritual wireless healing, and the another process takes about 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, and that process is much powerful. That is the main original much powerful process. The other spiritual wireless process also works for healing the diseases, to heal the patients, but less powerful. So if you would like to know either one, then the minimum cost would be 25k USD for each. And if you would like to buy the combined package to give you both of those processes and teach you and help you, then obviously the total becomes 50k USD. But I will give it to you, like I will sell it to you for only 40k USD dollar, 40,000 USD dollar. And this is up to whenever this video will remain active. And when I would like to change the offer and upgrade and sell for more price, then obviously I will change the video and replace it. But until now, as of today, the moment I am recording, my intention is to sell the total package in 40k USD. But if you want only one skill, like you want to learn less powerful skill, like that can be done, the process can be done in 20 to 30 minutes, like you can say that 30-minute process, you can take it. And if you want the 4-hour process, you can take it, each one 25k USD. Okay, if you want to contact me for that purpose, you can visit www.legendaryfreelancer.com, legendaryfreelancer.com. That is my website through which you can contact me. You can also see their results. Even if you go to YouTube channel Legendary Freelancer, you can see many of my videos related to the spiritual wireless treatment and the conversation with professionals and doctors and other kind of results. You will be able to see even the testimonials from the relatives of patients and from the people who took the benefit by working together with me. So wish you all the best. And even if you would not like any of this process, you got the free awareness, free knowledge and free education about the possibility which is happening, and you understand what are the things possible in Islam. And even now you know how you can also help non-Muslims know about the Allah and his last prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So if you are a preacher of Islam, you can take that benefit and utilize that knowledge, and for that purpose you can visit the website Rightful Religion, www.rightfulreligion.com. From there you can learn about the creatures of nature regarding the true religion Islam in the light of behavior of nature, to make yourself more powerful Muslim, preacher of Islam. So do whatever you want. Take care. I wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.